Welcome to my car and train channel. Today I'm going to do some unpacking of a live steam locomotive that I bought on eBay. It's a Denver and Rio Grande 040 live steam, and I got it for a good price, so I am very excited. So let me take my ham slicer just to open the tape and remove the tape. Here we go. A lot of good packing inside the box. To be completely open, I have already for the video removed some, but the box came very neatly done. So here we go. I'm going to remove the packaging box so that the camera can focus really on what matters, which is the locomotive. Oh, I'm seeing that the bell actually is here. Well, never mind, I think it's part of the, shipping is, those things are very fragile. There we go. Obviously the box is missing the lid, but that was the way it was described on eBay, so no complaint there. I love those standards with the, that shape, that bevel shape. But now I start to be a little bit worried. They said that it's live steam, and I see electrical wires. I don't really know what they are for, but I don't see the water going to the steam locomotive. So, okay. So let me put the tender here, and then I am removing the locomotive itself. Here we go. I put it here on display so that you guys can see it. The thing that I am noticing is that there are some plastic parts at the bottom, so there was a little bit of shipping issues, but I think it's kind of expected because some of those locomotives are very fragile. So here is my live steam locomotive, and I am discovering with you, oh my God, this is not live steam at all. This is electric. I think I got screwed. And I don't understand how it happened, because the merchant was very clear that it was live steam. And in fact, they sent me an electric one. Well, let me nonetheless show you what it is. And actually, did I say 040? Actually, it's a 242, number 12. But I am a live steamer, as you know, so I am not really interested. So I'm going to contact the merchant to say that it's not as described, which is really let down compared to what I was expecting. Especially, I paid slightly under, but almost the price of a live steam. So I was trusting the merchant, and obviously I didn't get the product that I was expecting. Well, nonetheless, let me again show you a little bit more in case you want to see the details of an electric one. But what a letdown. Here I go. And I see that a lot of plastic is falling, so maybe an old one. Okay. As you know, I have a lot of live steam and electric trains, so watch my channel. We'll be happy to show you all my other videos, and thank you very much for watching this video.